Today we're going to look at resuspension. If you look here in this tube, you can see there are several layers. There is an old original mixed layer, and then there is a dark layer here where the organic matter in the water sedimented, and then the white sand that we put on during another experiment, and the other dark layer when the remainder of the organic material in the water sedimented. And that's what we see here, but on the camera it looks like it's another layer, but it's actually just the top we see. And over towards the end we see the SediMeter. I will zoom into it now. And you can see we have a level of between 9 and 10. In the software it's now measuring here. We'll go back to the default scale and we'll turn on the levels and turn off the turbidity. And here you can see we have a level of about, well, 8.7 it says down here in the table. 8.71 according to the SediMeter, 8.64 according to the software. So now I'm going to show you resuspension, and that's going to be a rather slow process. What we're going to do is to introduce this bubbler. I'll introduce it here so you can see where the bottom is. And now it will start to resuspend material and make the water gradually more turbid. But the bubbles are on the other side compared to the SediMeter, so it should not pick up the bubbles itself, only the sediments in the water. On this one I will turn on the turbidity so you can see it. We'll only use the one that's above the hold the tube, and we have auto scale on, so it automatically changes the scale. It was at around 200 and is now rapidly increasing. On the left side we'll zoom in on the level. You can see how it's starting to climb now. So I'll make the software line a little bit darker here to see it better, like that. We've been going on for 8 minutes now since start, and maybe 6 minutes with the bubbling resuspension method here. It's sunk down pretty far in the sand now, the lead weight. And we've had a total accumulation of less than 1 millimeter, but it's clearly visible. The black line is the bottom going up, and the blue line is the turbidity in the water. It went up initially, then it went down again. I guess that was the very finest on the top that first went into the resuspension. So with this demonstration, I think we've seen how effective the SediMeter is in detecting very minute changes in bottom elevation.